Hi viewers, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. Today we are going to see about how to use ChatGPT for preparing your research article overview, and then how to create a research report or project report by using ChatGPT, for your UG level as well as PG level. So this is a ChatGPT window. So here, that means just you go to chat.openai.com/chat, and then you can see this kind of window, right? So here you can key in the questions, okay, as per your requirement, right? Here I'm going to key in some question. So can you provide research overview on my research article? So here I'm going to key in this question, and then I'm going to waiting for a reply from ChatGPT. So it can provide the detail. So here I'm going to provide the title. So title of my research article is PSO optimized MBPT for PV system. So after keying that the title of my research article, so here it will provide some detail about that title, right? About MBPT, and then it explain about PSO, right? And then PSO detail, and then that importance of that title. So some basic detail we will get when you are giving this detail. So now I'm going to ask the outline for my research report or a project report, right? So can you provide outline for this for my research report on same topic? So here I'm keen like can you provide outline for my research report on same topic? So here you can see that. So it will provide some outline for that research report or project report as per your title. Okay. So you can copy this detail, right? And then you can ask the question individually for each section title, and then you can get the more detail. Okay. So here you can see that. So it will provide the more detail on that that means outline of the research report. For example, so more specifically, I'm going to ask a question in this previous research on PSO optimized PV system, right? So here I'm going to ask. So can you elaborate on this point? So I'm going to type like this, and then I'm going to waiting for the answer from the ChatGPT. So it will be provide the detail about that point about previous research on PSO optimized MBPT for PV system, and also it provide the detail about fast charging MBPT, hybrid PSO fast charging MBPT, and then so it will provide some detail. I need more detail. Here now I'm going to provide let me type the question. I need more details on about topic. So once I key in this question, so ChatGPT thinking on that question. So here it will provide some more details about that particular point, right? Points That mean like point about previous research on PS optimistic GPT for PV system. So PS algorithm design. So it will providing the answer as per your question, right? So based upon this outline, right, so you can ask the different things, right? You can take the different points from ChatGPT, and then you can copy and paste in the Word document. And finally, so you need to change the plagiarism of that content, right? Because it is AI generated content. Okay, so you must change the plagiarism of the AI content. Okay, so for that you can use that mean you can change the sentence, change the active voice to passive voice, like that, or else you can take help from that native speaker, right, for changing the sentence. Okay, so if suppose your mother language is not English, right, so you can take help from that native speaker, right? So it will provide the more detail about that phase optimist MPPT for PV system. Okay, so like that you can ask the questions, and then you can copy that content into that file, and then you can change the sentence. Okay, so how you can change the sentence? So I can explain with some uh, online tools also. So for that you can go with the uh, wheelpot, right? So here it comes to wheelpot, and then copy this sentence. Okay, so you can copy this sentence, and then here you can paste it here, and then you can paraphrase, right? So you can paraphrase this one, so it will be paraphrase that content. Okay, after paraphrasing, here you will see that how much content is changed here. So here almost 55% of content is changed from that original content. So next you can copy this one, and then go to AI content detector. Okay, so here you can go to AI content detector. So here I'm going to paste the content, and then so it have limit, so up to it can take 1500, right? So I'm going to analyze the text. Okay, so here you will get 99% of human generated content. Okay, so before I'm going to copy this content. Okay, so content of ChatGPT, and then I'm going to paste it here, and then I'm going to take this one, and then analyze the text. So here you can see that the previous one, right, the original content, right, so original content is 21%. Okay, but after paraphrasing, right, the content detail, right, after paraphrasing the content, right, so here you can see that it is 99% human generated content. So by using this quillpot, or you can use uh, any native speaker in English, right, you can use change the content just by changing the sentence, right? So then you can easily convert, then you can easily reduce that AI content percentage, right? So that's why so here is the outline of that research report, right? So and then each detail you can take from the ChatGPT, and then convert it into, that mean you change the content, that mean paragraphs the content by using report, or you can use any other method, and then you can use that detail for your research report or project report. Okay, so thanks for watching our videos. Kindly support our channel. Thanks for watching our videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.